There's two door installations with two new openers. It's a low headroom with a double track system installed. Eight and a half inches total distance from the top of the door till the ceiling. So really tight space.